So we're at Battlesbridge this morning. Great turnout of the old anglers are here. Let's have a look around. Nice and clean. Don't know, mate.
Can I ask a favour?
Yep.
Can you move that way?
I can move out the way.
Just a little bit, so I can then get your van in front shot, you see?
Yeah, you don't want me in it with that.
Not saying don't want you in it.
Yeah, so 30 odd years start
For sale, £1.99.
£1.99? What do you reckon, Cole? £2.99. There you go, guys. So drop us a line and I'll give you his phone number. £2.99. No, he won't sell that.
Adapter plate, no, like the ST to the 5.
No, ain't being sold.
What, just bolts on?
Steve's got the under there, or Jim has. Jim bought it today with a little Ron.
Yeah, better money in the bank.
Because the ST.
Looked at his card, they called reinforcements. I had a van come down with 4 more pads.
Oh, that's...
Don't touch them.
You want a little ride?
I've not seen the AMX before. Nice.
Oh, my radio, it looked over America. I've got it off from Jegs. And I was looking through their site. And it came up. I just typed in. Yeah, I'll put in like 1946.
That was the old law.
It's all right, again, called it.
HP2, yeah, no, but HP.
NM7.
Yeah.
That station wagons for sale.
Yeah. I ain't all like it. Got queen, but no marble. Yes, it is right.
You need both really, don't you?
Bit of monster day.
Rather than the other way round.
50 miles an hour after that round.
Yeah, so you do 50 all the way to
From the inside, see the colour fucking. Oh, yeah. I see the old film. You can't really, can you? It's a roll up thing, isn't it? So you can turn up.
I do like that 32. Pretty sweet old thing, isn't it? I might be biased, my dad had one years ago. They're nice though, aren't they?
Got that bit on that?
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, how much you charging for that?
How much? I'll just
I'll see that.
Oh, right, we don't see many of them about anymore.
Bang, see you again. I'll tell you what, lad. Oh, that's what it's shaped, like that. Must be a Morris Minor one then. Bang, like that. Oh, no, that's that.
Business, yeah. Google Maps it does.
Very old thing.
Oh, he said hello to me.
I'm not, eh? He's a fit little thing, isn't he?
On V4.
I can't believe that.
Old Elvis. Look at that for a good ornament.
Elvis.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Nice out for Prebo.
Well, they're a nice car, to be fair. Big old Dodge. Plymouth.
Yeah, like a focal point in the rear seat, I suppose you'd call it.
Super
Well, you want to
Fury.
get that little jag in.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice, that.
Like a new car in the summer when you think possibly could open the biggest bit like that. You'll be able to slide it open, put a drink in it. I thought I'm right in that door. I could move it.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Right, stuck. I was like that, trying to pull
James,
it.
that's what you call a classic.
It's proper, mate. Isn't it, right? Lovely old thing. Quite it's lovely in there.
Like how we've done the engine bay
Now
cream.
check the dash out, mate. It's gorgeous.
Cool.
Quite clean, isn't it?
You just wait till Dad's little metro's done.
Yeah, that'd be a cool little thing.
Yeah. That'd stick out, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Nice little beetle, isn't it?
Lovely, mate.
Yeah.
How much have you wandered round then, Charlie? You done it all? Oh, just when the weather's a bit warmer.
With his old. Now that's a nice joke.
Then we've got these, Ron. More food.
Yeah, I had a
Nice fastback. A little 100, eh? Looks clean on the old stills. Renault's got to be quite a rare thing nowadays.
It's ridiculous. I've never seen anything quite as big anymore.
So I do that every time. So I put it in the garage, lift the bonnet up so it can cool down, and undo the.
Nate,
When they use the classic racing.
old sunbeam.
How you getting on with your side?
Works for Sal. Riley.
Core onion low, isn't it?
That's on air, that is, Ron. Air ride. Goes up and down. I've seen this car a lot. Always stop and look at it. I always like this Lotus.
That is nice, isn't it?
Really nice, yeah. The old Victor. Just don't see him anymore, do you?
I love the wheels on the little Zodiacs.
Yeah, kind of cool.
At least not a good night, have a night like food.
The old Humber.
Well, I think out till midday on Saturday.
Are you going to shoot up to stay?
I didn't realise you could see the truck when you came to the house before. Did you? You weren't there.
Got a nice cozzies.
Oh, farm fresh. Oh, you saw it there. Oh, that was before we knew you.
This time we look out for it.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, yeah, we did it. And is that your wheels? Should we?
The GTO. Oh, a nice thing. Seats are lovely, aren't they? And the 55, which is just pretty badass, to be fair. Yeah, big old Pro Charger, mate.
Cool, just the Pro Charger fitting Megan's Mini, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's about all you're getting there. 6 Series, yeah.
That's all you BM, did you?
Always in the warm, isn't it?
I don't remember it, Ron.
Oh.
Was it nice?
I don't know, I only saw it in photos.
The new vet's leaving. Nice thing.
It's quite nice.
On Renault 5, they were a weapon in their day. Cole needs a new car. Better for that than this modern stuff now.
I could buy it.
Once it's up and running,
You can shut that up, mate. That old banger. We don't want to see this. How you doing, Steve? All right?
Just 79. Because on the 80, they moved the wind plate over to the wing, didn't they?
oh yeah, yeah. That guy, I don't know where he is.
You all right?
He's got a bag.
I want another drink. Look at this. 50 years with the current owner. 50 years. Must love that little thing.
Well, that's nice.
50 years he's had it.
50 years?
Yeah, the current owner, yeah. Nice little TVR. Nice Mark II. Mark 1. Pre-facelift. Mark 3. Yours looks well, doesn't it? The old Marcus. Nice and clean under there.
Yeah, this was at Brentwood. Cool, Royal Enfield, that's nice.
A nice alley tank, didn't they? And the old BSA. I
Yeah,
do
what's
like
that?
the old
Half to back.
classic bikes.
Yeah, they are nice. Right.
John.
Wait, you know the geezer?
He's had it a while. He's got an RS turbo as well. I don't know if he's still got the turbo. Probably has. Nice car though.
Worth a lot. Nice and clean, isn't it? 1335. What trains? Classic Porsche.
Yeah, they're nice. Almost the same colour as my car on.
Huh?
Almost the same colour as my car.
Huh.
A little bit lighter, I suppose.
Nice these, aren't they?
That's what I'm saying, isn't it?
He drove in the same quite often, and then when he agreed to let that
How much? That's worth a lot.
Oh mate, it's ridiculously clean. Yeah.
Well, it's like new.
Got a bit of comfort in there. Nice old Merc.
Yeah, there's another one over there though.
Couple of more modern Astons. Lovely cars though.